Video, we will be looking into encoder and decoder. Encoder. To construct encoder, we need 4 input lines and 2 output lines, or else 2n input lines and n number of output lines. Looking into the truth table of encoder, when y3, y2, y1 and y0 are input lines and a1 and a0 are output lines. When y3 is 1 and the rest are 0, we get 0, 0 as output. When y2 is 1 and the rest are 0, we get 0, 1 in the output. If y1 is 1 and the rest are 0, we are getting a1 as 1 and a0 as 0 in the output. If y0 is 1 and the rest are 0, we get 1 and 1 in a1 and a0 respectively. If we look into the logical expression, a1 equals y3 plus y2 and a0 equals y3 plus y1. This is the circuit design of encoder. Two OR gates corresponding to the inputs and output. Here the fourth input is neglected because it doesn't make any difference in the output. Let's now look into decoder. Decoder has the format of n input lines and 2 power n output lines. We also have an enable pin in this circuit. Looking at the truth table, when a1 and a0 are 0, the output we get is 0, 0, 0, 1, given that the enable pin is 1. If the input is 0, 1, we get 0, 0, 1, 0, given that the enable pin is 1. If the input is 1, 0, the output is 0, 1, 0, 0. And if the input is 1, 1, the output is 1, 0, 0, 0. This works exactly opposite as the encoder. Let's look at the logical expression. y3 equals e times a1 times a0. Here e is considered as 1. yt equals e times a1 times a0. y1 equals e times a1 times a0. And y0 equals e times a1 times a0. So we have the same kind of expression for all the outputs. This is the circuit design of decoder. We have 4 AND gates and 2 NOT gates. Here the inputs are connected with the AND gates directly and indirectly through the NOT gates. Let us now look into the simulation. This is the simulation of encoder. If y0 equals 1 and y1 and y2 equals 0, the output we get is 1, 1, which is this. If the y1 equals 1, the output we get is 1, 0. If y2 equals 1, the output that we get is 0, 1. So this is how encoder works. Encoder is used in octal to binary conversion. Let us now look into decoder. Here 2 input lines corresponds to 2 power n output lines, and as the enable pin is always 1, we did not mention enable pin here. Okay. When it is 0 0, the output is 0 0 0 1. And when it is 0 1 in the input, the output is 0 0 0 0. When the input is 1 0, the output is 0 1 1 0. When the input is 1 1, the output is 1 0 0 0. Thank you.